Crushing it online in 2025, your Onpassive business blueprint. Welcome to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into the future. The landscape of online business is changing rapidly. We're talking about the top business ideas for starting an online Onpassive business in 2025. These ideas are innovative and forward-thinking. If you're here, you're already ahead of the game. You're ready to take the next step. The online world is evolving faster than ever, and Onpassive is giving you the tools to thrive. With the right strategies, you can stay ahead. We're going to break down 5 killer business ideas to spark your entrepreneurial fire. These ideas will help you stand out in a crowded market. Are you ready to crush it in 2025? Let's go! Stay tuned and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Please take a moment to subscribe, like, comment, and share with someone. AI-powered customer service, your secret weapon for 2025. First up, AI-driven customer service solutions. These tools are revolutionizing how businesses interact with their customers. Customer service is the backbone of any successful business. But in 2025, it's about creating seamless, personalized experiences. AI helps tailor interactions to individual needs. AI chatbots can handle basic inquiries 24/7, freeing up your time for complex issues. This ensures that customers always have access to support. AI analyzes data to identify customer pain points and predict needs. This proactive approach can significantly improve customer satisfaction. Automating mundane tasks allows for more personalized support when it matters. This means your team can focus on what they do best. It's about using technology to enhance the human connection. AI and humans working together create a powerful synergy. AI-driven customer service is a necessity, working smarter to deliver unforgettable experiences. This is the future of customer interaction. Keep customers coming back for more. With AI, you can build loyalty and trust, ensuring long-term success. E-commerce automation. Stop trading time for money. E-commerce automation tools handle the heavy lifting, from order fulfillment to email marketing. Imagine waking up to see you've made money while sleeping. These tools integrate with Onpassive, saving time, reducing errors, and boosting your bottom line. Free yourself from mundane tasks to focus on strategic growth. Digital marketing domination, becoming the go-to expert. Every business in 2025 needs a strong online presence. Without it, they risk falling behind their competitors and missing out on potential customers. As a digital marketing consultant, you help businesses navigate social media, ensuring they reach their target audience effectively. You specialize in SEO, content marketing, and paid advertising, creating comprehensive strategies that drive traffic and conversions. The beauty of this business model is its scalability. You can start small and expand as your client base grows. With Onpassive's marketing tools, you can deliver exceptional results for your clients, making their businesses thrive. Understand your clients' business goals, craft a tailored strategy, and execute it flawlessly. This personalized approach sets you apart. Be a trusted advisor and problem solver. Help businesses get seen, get heard, and achieve their objectives. Your expertise ensures they get results, building a reputation for excellence. Become the go-to expert in digital marketing and watch your career soar to new heights. Online education empire, sharing your knowledge with the world. The world of online education is booming. Package your expertise into valuable educational content. With Onpassive's platform, host courses, manage students, and run live Kwanda sessions. Create a thriving online community and generate passive income. Focus on creating high-quality content that delivers real value. The more specialized your knowledge, the more valuable you become. Remote Team Maestro, building and managing high-performing teams. The remote work revolution is here to stay. As a remote team management expert, provide systems, tools, and strategies for high-performing teams. Ensure projects are completed on time and on budget. Use Onpassive's collaboration tools to streamline workflows and boost team morale. Foster a culture of trust, transparency, and accountability. Empower your team members to do their best work no matter where they are. Your Onpassive journey starts now. 5 killer business ideas primed to explode in 2025. The real magic happens when you take action and hustle. Onpassive provides the tools and support to turn dreams into reality. Believe in yourself and never give up. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video. For more information about Onpassive and how to find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.